It's opening Saturday in New York, October 4th. We've had some windy and rainy weather all day. We were actually supposed to get 2 inches of rain today, but it pretty much held out. We had a good morning on it, we just didn't see anything. 2 of our guys that are in our group today got 1-year-olds. So we got some meat on the ground in the group for opening Saturday. Not bad, 2 for 2. So we're team no bitching. Behind the bow today. Jeremy's got the camera. We decided to switch it up for the afternoon hunt because the rain was still coming through. We know some deer have been low on the mountain. The weather seems to have them not moving a whole lot, so we figured let's get right down to the food. We got the wind in our favor blowing right down this hill, and we're watching a hillside full of alfalfa. And they've been killing the tops all over this little bench that's about 30 yards in front of us. So with any luck, we'll get something out of the ditch from behind us, or out of the thicket up on the north side of the field. And hopefully something will work out across this bench and give us a broadside shot. It's drizzling, the wind calmed down. It's about as good as any setup we can come up with for this afternoon, so if anything, we got good scenery. Our hope is rising. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. We got a 2-hour sit, so with any luck, something will be down here by this field, sneak out to get a bite to eat before dark, and get some meat in the ground. Probably not going to discriminate a whole lot tonight. I come to New York for my venison. I like to do my trophy hunt back home in Massachusetts, so if I get a good clean shot on one tonight, I don't think I'm going to discriminate too much age-wise, so stick with us. Public property, New York. Doing it how we always do it. Got the camera, got the archery equipment. You're watching No Bitchin' Outdoors. Stick with us. Take a picture if you can too.
Yeah, buddy. This just worked to perfection.
I sent it right through her whole body. She was pouring. She was pouring. She shot 19 yards on the ground, kid.
Who needs a tree stand? I love this stuff.
It's been raining all day. It's been just off and on crappy weather, so we didn't know what the heck to do. We were contemplating all afternoon and we came out. So we decided to get in here on this alfalfa field. I knew they'd pour out of this corner. We get down onto this bench and the tops are eating like crazy, so we felt good about being in here. We tried setting up the blind in this spot. The wind was whipping at 4 o'clock today when we were in here hauling. We couldn't set up the blind. We don't have stakes with us.
Keep the blind up. It kept blowing away.
So we backed out of here, tried to go in the woods, couldn't find a spot, and then the wind dies. So we came back to the spot, popped it up, brushed it in. 2 does, 2 fawns come out, and we just railed one at 19 yards.
On the ground, on the fucking ground. That's how we do it. No bitching outdoors, baby.
Awesome, man. That was
Dude,
awesome.
you smoked a nice
Opening
shot.
Saturday,
Nice
October 4th. And I'm pretty sure we got a nice doe on the ground. That look good?
Yeah, I say that looks pretty good.
The back 2/3 are soaked with dark red blood, so. I didn't even make it to the entrance. Come over here, look down that black hole right there. I don't think that's a white rock. Looks like bloated dough belly.
Yeah, dude. Oh my gosh, you
On
smoked
the
her.
board for 2014. Alright, it's open Saturday. We're on public land in New York. Got my first doe down of 2014. No bitching outdoors on the board. Jeremy's already got one down on video, Connecticut. I just got one down in New York. It's a good start to the season, buddy.
Yes, sir. Nice shot. She's a beast.
Yeah, we had a choice of two mama does that came in with a couple fawns, and we thought the one higher up on the hill was going to come in first. And this one ended up sneaking right down the line at 19 yards. I couldn't pass it up. She was so close and it got so still she could hear me draw, and she kind of flinched a little bit there. She was quartering to me, but she had a nice still frame, so I knew I could put it where I wanted to. I got right behind her shoulder, ran it all the way out the opposite side, and I don't know, she might have went 60 yards. As the crow flies, probably 50. But doe down for no bitching outdoors. We gotta get this girl cleaned up, get her out of here, and we'll see you for more. Me and Jeremy can be back in the tree tomorrow morning to get him behind the bow, and I'm gonna film. So it's supposed to be 40 degrees and clear after all this rain moves out. Things are looking up, buddy. Maybe we'll get one down tomorrow morning too.
Yes, sir. Congrats, dude. Nice shot.
Thank you, sir. That's how we like to do it.
Yes,
We
sir.
didn't get to watch her go down, but she didn't go very far and make it hard on us to find her, so.
Exactly. All right, let's do this.
All right, ground blind hunting, public land. Bring the camera. Love it. Love it.